Up next, I am delighted to introduce Diamond, CEO and co-founder at Augmend.
Hey there, I'm Diamond, this is Augmend. We're working to merge AI agent and human worlds in order to make both far more effective. I've been working in the AI space for more than a decade, far too long now, and I've been most excited recently about the perspective of proactive assistance. This is the first time that we're really building out the right building blocks to make this happen. However, agents are early, right? They're really working on figuring out how to actually make these workflows interact, accomplish complicated projects, and actually get things done for you. One of the big reasons why they're quite so early is we're just giving them the wrong tools. We're kind of giving them the ability to stare at MS-DOS prompts, and no one's really created Windows. They're looking at these kind of text-based prompts instead of multimodality, unidimensional communication, and limited tools. If you're going to give a new engineer on your team something to do, you don't just give them a couple APIs, a little bit of instructions, and say, good luck, use my computer, you'll figure it out. Instead, we really want to create the PC revolution for agents, kind of an agent OS, and build the right building blocks that will allow new models to work better and work for you and work effectively. First up is kind of a spatial workspace. What does it really mean to give them the same kind of window-like experience that you would give anyone else? This is human-like app use, rewindable, multiplayer. I don't want to have to go and look through a bunch of logs to figure out what my agent was doing. I'd like to go see what you're doing on the screen and just go look at your terminal, look at your browser, look at the application that you're using. Next, we don't usually just give you an app and say good luck either. You might have manuals that are learned from your team, things that you might have context about, things that someone else has learned and kind of written down. Every application that's part of this kind of OS and workspace has contextual, external, and learned data. Then, the most important part, I think, that people aren't focusing enough on is human in the loop. This is expertise cloning from another user. This is kind of the multiplayer with a human, not just multiplayer between humans. I should be able to understand how you work and what you're doing by taking a look and seeing what you're up to. And if I'm an agent that gets stuck, I should be able to ask any other dev on my team or any other person in whatever field I'm working in to show me how to solve the problem, not just go and figure out how to change my prompt. So come join the revolution. Our first product out there is this human expertise cloning. You can kind of think of this as Loom meets a Copilot. It learns from you as you screen share. The next step is to take that information and start to automate and really build tools for a multimodal human collaboration suite that's going to be available soon as well. So if you're an agent's application team, if you're an agent's research team that's interested in building out new tools, please do get a hold of me. We've already got a couple hundred devs using this, and we're expecting to start rolling out to more soon. So thank you. Find me over here.